Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either show or hide the quick access toolbar on your Microsoft Office product, so Microsoft Word or Excel, and it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you're going to right click on the ribbon bar, and you're going to select where it says Show Quick Access Toolbar, and the toolbar should appear down here. And if you wanted to remove it or hide it, you would just right click again on the ribbon bar and select Hide Quick Access Toolbar. And that's pretty much it, guys. And if you wanted to customize this toolbar, you could right click on the Quick Access Toolbar and then select Customize Quick Access Toolbar. And then you could add custom shortcuts directly to the toolbar from here. And then you would select OK once you've made your selections. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.